How to start a KDP business for $1. Hi guys, and thanks for joining me on this video. Today we're gonna see how we can start Amazon KDP publishing business just for $1. So with that being said, let's get started. For this instance, we're going to need Creative Fabrica $1 subscription plan, BookBoat, we're going to use their free tools, Self-Publishing Titans, they've got two amazing extensions, and Amazon search bar. And guys, if you like videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Let's start with Creative Fabrica and their $1 subscription plan. So 1 month full access for just $1, get access for all resources, no limits, and also commercial use allowed on all resources. If you decided to renew, it's going to be just $19 and you can cancel anytime, no question asked. This will be with 35% discount and only if you decided to renew. Just to let you know, if you cancel after this 1 month period, you can't use those files anymore. Just make your plan, write everything down, how many books you want to create, in which niches, what kind of books. And when you subscribe, just start creating and uploading these books. So let me show the potential of Creative Fabrica, and if you are interested, I'm gonna link this promotion down below in the description. So let's check Creative Fabrica. When you are on a main page, just go on graphics, KDP interiors, and you can see 42,000 results, which is awesome. And now we can start searching for interiors. We can check bundles. In bundles we can find lots of interiors in different niches. Let's say this one is 10 KDP interiors. Let's check this. This one is 54 mental health bundle. What else? Planner Agenda 22. Let's open this one. What else? Printable business planner, 42 pages. We can create this one as well. This one is 100 plus KDP interior bundle. So I think this few pages there enough. Let's check this one first. Most of the bundles, they have a list like this one, and here you can check the interiors. So Dream Journal, Gratitude Journal, Mindfulness Journal, Prayer Journal, Self-Care Journal. This is Clearing Planner, Daily To-Do Planner, Meal Planner, Password Logbook, 100-Day Goal Planner, Welcome Page in all of them, and the rest is commercial use and everything else. So if we already know what type of books we want to create, we just need to type this in a search bar. Let's say we want to create password logbook. This is in our list. Just paste this on the search bar and you're going to see all the interiors with this search term. So we can check this one. You can see this one, 6 by 9, 120 pages, no bleed. This is ready to upload. You got the point. So let's check this one, Planner and Agenda 2022. You can see what you're gonna have. 8.5 by 11, editable, no bleed. You can see from here how it looks. Next one, it's Business Planner Bundle Pack. Here you can see what you're going to receive. This is so many type of different pages. And you can download this completely for free. This is 100 plus bundle pack. And here you can see the list of this bundle. And only from this bundle you can find so many niches that you can attack. Just when you get the niche, validate this niche in Amazon and see if there is demand for this. So let's check which one. Ledger book. Let's check ledger book. I'm going to copy ledger book and paste this in Amazon search bar. You can see Amazon auto-populate this. Ledger books for bookkeeping. Let's check this. And here we're going to use self-publishing Titan extensions. One of the extensions is their suggestion expander. When you type something, this is self-publishing Titan suggestion expander. You're going to see different type of suggestions, and the next one is just wait few more seconds to load, and you're going to see the second extensions, which we're going to use to validate if this niche is profitable or not profitable. Just to mention, self-publishing Titan suggestion expander, when you open all the related keyword combinations, you can download them from here, and after that you can start validate them one by one. So the statistics are ready. 49 niche score, which for me is very nice. The self-publishing Titan creators, they're saying that 16 and higher is perfect. We need to find a niche with 60 and higher, but in these days it's too hard to find those niches. For me, everything 40 and more is good to go. You can see here the number of results, 531, which is also very nice, and average BSR rank is 2100, which is also good. And we can check the BSR rank on the first page. You can see this one is paperback, 141,000 BSR rank, which is very nice. This is Parabond, but BSR rank is awesome. And this extension that's showing me the average sales, it's product tour for merch by Amazon. I'm gonna link this also down below in the description. This is free extension, and also I'm going to link the self-publishing Titans extensions. They are also completely free. So let's check if there is another. So this one is paperback. You can see 8900 BSR rank, which is very nice. This one also, or this one is the same. Is this the same? Or it's similar? Probably similar. This, no, it's not the same. This one is with 5100 BSR rank. What else? This one is paperback, is with higher BSR rank. This one, it's also with very good BSR rank. So you can see this niche should be profitable for us, so we can create book around this. Let's go on the top. As we already saw, the book cover was very simple and easy to create, and we can create them in Canva. We can use the free version. I have videos how to create book covers in Canva, and I'm gonna link the video that I'm creating pattern design on your right hand corner. You can check this out. We can also use Creative Fabrica elements. We can go on Creative Fabrica and search for flowers or something else. Download these files and use them to create your pattern design or your cover. You can use everything that is in Creative Fabrica for 1 month. Since I subscribe to Creative Fabrica, I never look back for interiors, files for my books, for fonts, and because I have Canva Pro one, I can upload these fonts and use them for my books. So we can create our cover in Canva, and for our interior and cover size, just type KDP template calculator and go on first page and open this one. Amazon upgraded this version, and here we need to enter all the statistics about our book. So it was 6x9, 120 pages, paperback, black and white, white paper, left to right, inches, 6x9, 120 pages, and here calculate dimensions. There you go. From here we can download the template, and use this template in Canva to create our book. We need to go inside these borders, and we need to keep this place safe for the barcode. And for our interior, if you want to create your interior, just go on Amazon Help Center, go on Format your paperback, set trim size and margins, and here just scroll down, trim size, let's check if this one, so black and white paper, this is black and white paper, nope, I think yes. And here we can find our interiors without bleed and our interiors with bleed. So if you want to create 6x9 with bleed, we need to type 6.125 by 925 in Canva in inches and create our interior. So let's go on BookBoat free resources. Here, when we are in a main page on resources, we've got interior wizard and KDP category finder. When we go in category finder, we can type the type of our book and find the categories. And interior wizard, we can use their free interiors. Click on interior wizard, it's gonna open another window. Click on interior wizard again, and here all interiors without member only, they are free. Let's check few of them. So mood tracker, this one is online shopping tracker, this one is monthly to-do list. What else? Birthday reminder. Here body measurements, birthday reminder as well. A recipe book, scuba diving journal, daily planner. Let's say we want one of those. This is finals planning, fishing logbook, fitness calendar. What else? This is one comic book. You can see how many interiors for free we can get from here, and we can download them and just create the book cover in Canva. Also, we can use the graphics from Creative Fabrica to create our cover. Let's say we want to create what type of book? Blood pressure walk. Let's say this one. So click on this, enter the size of interior. Let's say we're gonna create this 8.5 by 11. Page count, let's say 120. We can decide it with bleed or without bleed. Let's say without bleed. And when you click download, it's gonna open another window. You can check the interior, how it looks. You can see this is ready to go interior. And from here, you can download this interior. And if you want to enter welcome page, just type I love PDF. I love PDF. And this is also free software. You can merge the PDFs here. When you click on merge PDF, you just need to enter here the interior from BookBoat and your welcome page that you created in Canva, combine them here and download them again. So I think this is mostly everything to create our books. If you want to upgrade for BookBoat, you can do this with 20% discount. The link will be down below in the description. And also I'm going to link my video why BookBoat can be the only one tool that you need for Amazon KDP, because BookBoat has so many features. I'm going to link this video on your right hand corner as well. So let's recap everything. When we are ready with our plan and we know what type of books we want to create and upload to Amazon KDP, we're going to subscribe to Creative Fabrica for their $1 subscription plan. for 1 month, and we can try to upload as much books as we can for this month. We can also use BookBoat free interiors, and just we can create our cover on Canva. We can use free version of Canva. We can also use the Self-Publishing Titans free extensions to validate our niches and keywords. We can do this in Amazon search bar. We can also use Productor for Merch by Amazon free extension. For our interior, Amazon provide us free resources. We can get the dimensions for our cover from Amazon cover calculator page. And for the dimensions of our interior, we can go on trim size page and get the trim size for our interior. If we want to merge our PDFs, we can go on I Love PDF, which is also free, and we can merge or split or do whatever we want with our PDF files. With that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. All related links will be down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.